Guys, welcome to another vlog. We are in the car. Yes, we've got the dash cam going. I'm sure you know what this video is about by the title, but we are on our way to the Crystals Mall. We're hitting the Fendi store. I ordered a handbag and I'm going to pick it up. I am so excited. So Fendi and Versace did a collaboration, and the collaboration actually launched while I was on the plane on my way to New York. So I was furiously texting with my associate over at Fendi, and I just texted her. I said, is there anything left over at all? She had 2 handbags left. That was it. And one of them was actually one that I had my eye on. So I was super excited. I told her, yes, I will take it. She has all my information. So it's just been sitting there at the store waiting for me to pick up, because I've been back from New York for more than a week now. And I just haven't not gotten a chance to go. So I'm heading over there now. She kept offering to ship it to me, and I'm like, no, I want to go and pick it up. Obviously, I like to see what else is in store. But I'm really excited for this handbag. So let's get to Crystals. Comfy.
Is it low? But no, it looks so beautiful.
Yeah,
isn't it so comfortable?
It's so comfortable. It's the perfect size.
I'm so happy you got it.
Yeah, me too.
It's a beautiful bag.
Me too. Yeah.
Especially with all your traveling needs. That's
yes. In fact, I'm thinking I need like a more, not formal, but maybe like a black with gold one of these days, because this one's pretty casual. I like wearing this like with my jeans and stuff.
The stitching on it.
Yeah.
Let me get your bag. I have it back there.
Okay.
I know it's sold out everywhere.
I know.
I was so embarrassed because so many clients were like, Leo, and I was like, it's sold out.
Yeah.
We didn't even get that much in because we had 2 pop-ups, so New York and LA, and they got the most product.
Sure. Yeah.
And I was like, oh my God. But I was so happy you texted me, because we literally had that one in that Amy's client decided against, and I was like, can I please have it? She was like, yeah, and I was like, okay. So let me get it.
So,
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
With the pins. I'll be right back.
Okay. Oh my God. So much fun. Oh my God, and I love how the font changes to the Versace font right here.
Oh my God, I didn't even notice.
Yeah, it's like the Fen and then the...
You know more than me. I didn't even know.
I just noticed. I just noticed.
See? And then we have it in the beautiful box.
Oh, wow. Wow, they really did it up.
Yeah, they went all out with the packaging,
Oh,
and the
wow.
envelope for your receipt.
Awesome.
And then I can do it, but I know you like to do it maybe at home.
Yeah,
and
I'll do it at home. Yeah, that's totally fine. Thank
And I got
you.
you a fresh new one too, so it has all its packaging and
Okay.
everything.
Ah, thank you.
You're so welcome.
Do you know if they're going to have any more?
Yeah, so we're actually gonna do a drop too. It's not gonna be big,
Okay.
but I'll text you as soon as we hear anything.
Okay.
I believe June 16th, they said.
Okay.
And actually, I'll still keep you in mind because they said we might get some in from Asia because Asia is still like closed.
Oh,
so
yeah.
A lot of their stores are not open.
Ugh.
So they're going to try to send some stuff in.
Okay.
They are going to send some, but we just don't know who's getting it.
Right.
So I'll keep you. Hopefully, we get some. in.
Okay. Thank you so
I guess
much.
I'll keep you updated, of course.
The Fendace has been acquired. All right, guys, let's do this unboxing. I'm so excited. I just have the fondest memories of both Fendi and Versace. I don't know if I've ever told you guys, but my very first job out of college, I was an assistant buyer at Saks. And during my time there, I wasn't there for very long. It was a terrible job. But during my time that I was there, Johnny Versace actually came to Saks and did like a meet and greet. And, this was back in 1995. So, there was no social media or anything. And it was just such a cool event. He just sat on the first floor by the escalators and we just kind of like lined up to meet him. And it was like just really chill. And he was so nice. It's always like so interesting when you meet these big personalities, but they're very soft-spoken in a way, and he was really like kind of very gentle and soft, and he was just such a pleasure. Anyway, yeah, and at that same time, Karl Lagerfeld was the designer for Fendi, and yeah, he was doing so much. I mean, he was designing for Chanel, he was designing for Fendi, I think he was also designing for Chloe at the same time. He's a madman. He was a madman. Anyway, I just have the fondest memories of Fendi and Versace, and so when they announced this collaboration, I was so excited. I was like, oh my God, what are they gonna do? And I mean, I'm not besmirching Versace or anything, but Versace really kind of, I think, fell off for a little while, and I think they're finally making a comeback again. I think fashion has kind of come back around to their aesthetic, which is, some people would say tacky or gaudy, but it's just a very just fun, bright, bold, Italian classic kind of aesthetic. I just think it's so much fun. It's not really me, but I appreciate it so much, and it's so identifiable, and I really love that they never strayed from it, even though, like I said, I feel like they kind of fell off these past few years, and they just kept doing what they do, and now it's like fashion has come back around to them. So I think that's pretty cool. But anyway, here is the Fendace bag. Oh my God, so cool. And I don't know if you guys can see, but the F-E-N-D is in Fendi lettering, and then the Aci is in Versace font. So cool. And then here is the box. So the box is pretty much the same as the bag. All right, let's get this baby open. Can you guys guess which one I got? I was really tempted by quite a few of them, but this collection sold out so quickly, and there was only 2 left at the store that I shop at. So thankfully, one was one of the ones that I wanted. But here is their receipt envelope. Oh my God, they really went all out. They have Fendace stickers. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. The Fendace dust bag. Oh my God, that's incredible. Let me move this box out of the way. And I actually haven't even seen this in person yet. Oh my God. This is incredible. Holy smokes. This is so much nicer in person than the pictures. Oh, I love this gold. It's such a rich, warm gold. Oh. So they had this, I believe, in like black leather. They had a whole bunch of different varieties. I will try and find some pictures of it for you, or you can go to the Fendi site. I think they still have them up on the site. Oh, I just love this, but they had the like Versace silk scarf print baguette, and I was really trying to decide between this one and that one. And as much as like I was saying, as much as I appreciate the Versace aesthetic, that crazy like gilded print that they have on their scarves and like those silk shirts or whatever, I thought that would be so cool on a handbag, but I just felt like this is one that I would actually use a lot more than that one. That one would have ended up being a collector's. But, oh, this was such an iconic moment. I think they just brought this dress back, right? The safety pin dress. When that first came out in the 90s, that safety pin dress, we were like, oh my God. We all wanted some version of that safety pin dress. Oh, it's got the FFs inside. Oh my God. Here is a little info card. And that's it. There's no like pocket or anything in here. Really simple. And this, oh, how interesting. So the closure, it's like not just a magnetic snap, but you also have to slip the button in as well. So can you see that? So there's like this little overhang there. And then let me take this off. And here we've got the gold leather for the handle. Oh, I love this so much. And I love that the FFs are black. I love that accent. You guys know how much I love black and gold together. So let's do a little modeling. So it does fit over my shoulder. I'm not the biggest fan of like armpit bags is what I call them, because they're just like right up in there, and it's just not, I don't think it's very flattering. So I'll most likely be carrying this in my hand, but at least this is an option. I do have some room in here, so that is good. And I believe this is leather that's been perforated, so it feels textured. Oh my God, it's so cool. So cool. And there's something about this bag which cannot be denied. It's so Vegas. It's so perfectly Vegas. Oh, and I forgot, it comes with a shoulder strap. Awesome, that's right. I think I was like pontificating to my sales associate. I was like, I don't know. I don't like the baguette, you know, like a strap. It's so short and it's just gonna be in my armpit. She's like, no, it comes with a shoulder strap. So let me hook this on and, yes. Much better. So here's the shoulder strap. Ooh, I love that. I love that. It's not crossbody, but I think that's okay because I feel like this bag is too wide to be a crossbody. It would just kind of stick out strangely. So I think this is perfect. Oh, I love this. I love this gold. It's not super shiny, you know? It's just this really deep, warm gold. So that is my new Fendace baguette. I'm so happy with it. I think it's so beautiful, and I will definitely use this. It's a little bit bolder than the typical bag that I go for. I just feel like I have in my hands like a piece of history, like the first Fendi and Versace collaboration. I just think it's so cool. So definitely subscribe down below if you're into luxury handbag unboxings. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.